How about a little Buick muscle here at Unique, especially in classics? A rare one too, one of 656 made. It's a 1971 Buick GS 350 convertible. Underneath the hood, of course, that Buick 350 V8 was paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. This one is nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the chrome of the bumper, headlight surrounds, grille, and yes, this is a real deal GS. Strato Mist Blue, paint coat of 26. White vinyl convertible top, and that is power. Trim coat of 155, so that is a white. Vinyl interior, check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down. Car from every angle, and those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're watching it on YouTube. Otherwise, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Krager SS chrome wheels. BF Goodrich radial tires. As you can see down the passenger side of this car, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I did notice one little paint bubble right there, pretty minute. Car has obviously been restored, believed to be an original mile car, a little over 63,000 on it is all. Convertible top cover, fits nicely. Again, white vinyl interior, couple aftermarket gauges under the dash, retro sound radio. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive as we get a good look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Dual exhaust, front to back. Good looking wing on this car, and once again, those still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. Brakes are 100%, front and rear, recently redone. Carb has also been rebuilt. This car will come with the owner's manual, protecto plate, showroom brochure, and you'll be able to see that all in the still pictures also. If you like these early 70 muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. We get a good look up and down this driver's side. Again, you can see paint shows well, panels are nice and straight. And an original Strato Mist Blue car. Let's take a closer look at the interior. I have had the wipers work, radio works. You can see no rips, tears, holes in the vinyl. Seat belts intact. No surprises with the interior. I think we better start this up. Aftermarket VDO tack. Again, radio is working. Aftermarket gauges. We got oil pressure, temperature. That was a cold start. This little cup holder and center console has been added. That can be removed. Taken in and out. Dash looks good. And listen to this. There's a rumble. Like I said, there's a little Buick muscle. Alright, let me pause this a second. I'm going to get this hood open. Check out the engine bay. Then I'm going to show you the top going up. Check that out. Check it going back down. And then Jason's going to take it for a drive. Underside of the hood. Looks like new. There it is. The GS 350. Power steering, power brakes, AC, very nicely equipped, well restored underneath here also. AC has been converted. Sounds good and looks good. All right, let me get the tripod set up. We're going to check out this convertible top. All right, convertible top up, and as you can see, it functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. White vinyl, obviously, newer top. Rolled the side glass up so you can see how that fits. Good fit there. Also, no rips, tears, holes, really anywhere at all on this one. Glass rear window. Also looks like it's new. And passenger side. Also extremely nice shape. Good fit with the side glass over here also. Back around the front. No surprises on the top. I will show you it functioning and going back down. And after that, Jason's going to take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. 1971, real deal Buick GS convertible. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful blue 1971 Buick GS, and that stands for Grand Sport. What a great color on this car. It is a convertible, and we do have the top up today. This is a automatic on the column, which you could get in 1971 in the GS 350. Everything seems to be very nice on this car. The white interior clashing nicely with the black dash and carpet. The wood grain letting you know it is the 70s. AC is blowing cold. I have cold air blowing right at my feet right now. The wiper's working. We have a digital radio for that. That would be a retro sound style radio. Lots of clarity in those radios. this car just feels fresh. You know, the suspension feels right. Steering is tight, suspension is tight, the way it should be. Very comfortable. It is a bench seat car. Comfortable bench seat, front and back. Just a little bit of wind noise, typical of the 70s convertibles. Nothing excessive. Even the brakes are very smooth. Excellent power steering for Buick. Our fuel gauge is reading a little over a quarter of a tank. Speedometer is working as it should. We have a VDO tachometer mounted in the right slot here, and that's also working. Very nice shifts. Firm shifting from that automatic transmission, as it should be. The kickdown working. Throaty exhaust note, and you can feel it pull. There's some definite torque to this motor. I just want to do it again. Very fun, great looking Buick. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.